Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite with a controller. First, connect your controller to your gaming platform, whether it's a PC, console, or mobile device. For most systems, a simple USB cable or Bluetooth pairing will do the trick. Make sure your controller is fully charged or has fresh batteries to avoid any mid-game interruptions. Once connected, launch Fortnite and check the settings to confirm your controller is recognized and ready for action. Let's dive into the standard controller layout. Your left analog stick is for movement, guiding your character around the map. The right analog stick controls your camera and aiming, allowing for precise shots. The face buttons, usually 4 of them, are for actions like jumping, reloading your weapon, and interacting with objects. Finally, the shoulder buttons and triggers are crucial for aiming down sights, firing your weapon, and quickly switching between building pieces. Building and editing are core to Fortnite's success. Practice switching between walls, ramps, floors, and cones with speed and precision. Entering edit mode allows you to modify existing structures, creating windows or doors for tactical plays. Many professional players use custom keybinds to make these actions even faster, often assigning building pieces to easily accessible buttons. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practice these skills in creative mode. To elevate your gameplay, fine-tune your controller sensitivity. A lower sensitivity offers more precise aiming, while higher settings allow for quicker turns. Don't forget to leverage Aim Assist, a helpful feature for controller players that slightly guides your crosshair toward opponents. Spend at least 30 minutes each day in creative mode, practicing your builds, edits, and aim. Consistent practice is the key to becoming a formidable Fortnite player.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.